The train has been started at howrah railway station. I have led my friends to there. And a very beautiful girl and on locations. It's very impressive. The most impressive that you have not seen in the world. Now people are very busy to run there to get there. So, it's going to be live soon. And I'm just going to leave kind of busy stations. And they're like, oh, out of the concentration. Very. I have just come out of the railway stations right now and going to catch my bus for going Gariya Hajj. You can see the people are standing for the taxi, and this is the railway stations of Howrah. People are very busy to go and catch their trains. I'm so busy to have my bus, but the bus stop is the view of Howrah railway stations, in front of Howrah railway stations now. So it's nice to hear, and people are very interested to see the videos, and really it's a very awesome hash. The beautiful girls with beautiful position. I have just came to Howrah. Yes. This looks good.
Cotton.
It looks very good. I'm so thrilled now because of lots of people are going. I'm quite busy, and I also very busy for that. You know, this is the railway stations of Howrah views. Everywhere is people. Yeah. The yellow taxi, the marvelous yellow taxi. I exited long for food and restaurant. Wonderful. Line very highly populated. Very busy platform. I think this is the busiest platform in India, because of lots of people are very busy to go to other places. And yeah, the police are having and so yeah, this is my children that I am going along to the railway stations. Beautiful gardens. Everywhere is people. So yeah, this is another railway station of Howrah. This is the beginning of railway stations of Howrah bridge, and yeah, so beautiful people are coming. I don't know why they are go back. I think they looked at me and says that I'm in videos. Yeah, quite nice. And so far. There are people who are very busy to go to another places to another places. And it is very very often given to me. I got very tired. Wow, the railway stations. I'll get the bus and for Garia and then we can. People and people. Lots of people are here. Of selling fruits. This is yes.